Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how I colored this Captain America piece. I used Winsor Newton acrylics and matte medium. So I'm starting with preparing some water and all my paints on the side. And the first stage is plain water without anything to it. Making sure that the surface is really wet. This way the first layers will blend really well into one another. First layers are acrylic with just water. I'm treating it as if it was watercolors, even though it's not. It will give it a really nice effect of translucent layers. I mix the acrylic with water as well, even though the surface of the paper is still wet. I don't want the colors to overpower the piece yet. I want to see through all the pencils and the details that I did. Okay, first layer is done. Now I'm gonna dry it completely with a hair dryer before adding more colors. Still using only acrylics and water and making sure that it's still very translucent. I want to keep these layers very light at first. Okay, these are the last layers of acrylic with water. Next stage is acrylic with matte medium. So basically, the point of the matte medium is to dilute the color, yet to keep it with an acrylic texture. Therefore, it will not look like watercolors, and you can control the amount of paint you want with the matte medium. What I like about this technique is that the matte medium isn't fully opaque and you can still see the details underneath. But important to mention that I used ink, so I will still see all the outlines and details. Ink, or you can use a very dark pencil, that will work as well. Also important to mention that when you use the matte medium, do not use water with it. The point of the matte medium is to act instead of water. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed the process. Let me know if you have any questions in comments. Thank you so much for watching.